So more documenting this for myself, but figured I'd share it because what a beautiful machine this thing is. This is my new vehicle. It's a 2022 Shelby GT500 in the grabber blue metallic. I just had it shipped to me from Indiana. I'm in New York. And the really cool thing is I had them not prep it at all. So it doesn't have the front splitter on it. And what I'm really into is has all the factory markings and all the plastics on the inside still. So you can just see that's the front splitter there. It's a base model with the handling package, the technology package, and the Recaros. One option I didn't really care for, but now that I have it, I really like it. It has the painted black roof, which really just pops with this color. Really looks good. Look at that. And then it also has, I really didn't want any stripes on the car. And I'm happy, so there's no stripes on the main part. It has the side stripes. And I mean, I'm not against it. I'd love to hear other people's opinion, but with the black roof, I feel like it kind of goes pretty good. But I don't know. I'm open to opinions. But man, what a beautiful machine this thing is, man. I'm so lucky to be one of the few that get to own this and experience it. And I'm super excited. So I just wanted to share it along. I'm gonna start prepping it either tonight or tomorrow, but I'll try to get some of that. But just look at this thing. 760 horse, 625 torque, DCT. I could go on for days. We'll save that for another video.